What's up guys, CJ here from Driver Motorsports. Today we're going to go in depth on Monica's R32 GTR. Monica is a very loyal customer. She bought the white SEMA that we had. Beautiful, beautiful car. I love that one too. Had saddle interior. So she loved that car. She wanted to come back for more. So thank you, Monica, for buying this beautiful 1990 Nissan Skyline GTR. So when we got this car in, Monica had a few things that she wanted to do personally to her vehicle. So we brought it in and went over. There was a small chip in the fender. We had that redone. And then she also wanted some custom taillights done. We got those taillights in, got them redone, and they look absolutely amazing. For the brakes, we have V-Spec Brimbos, front and rear. I did a custom paint job, 3-stage. It's a beautiful color. It's a metallic red that actually matches the color of the valve covers. We had those powder coated, and also the tow hook matches the brakes. This car is absolutely beautiful. Exterior appeal is amazing. It's got beautiful Volk raised T37s, bronze wheels, classic wheel, beautiful for the R32. Everybody loves them, of course. So complementing the valve covers with that beautiful color is the greddy suction kit. We also have a ARC intercooler, ARC radiator, N1 R34 GTR turbos. They spool quick. The car feels amazing. The power that it has, it's not crazy, but it does have enough power to where you can have some fun. Suspension itself is absolutely amazing. It drives like it's on rails. It feels amazing. You get on it, it goes straight, you corner, it goes where you want it to. So for suspension, it has Olin dampers, amazing coilovers. It's got IKEA formula front suspension, and in the back, it's got Cusco's. So the way this car sounds is absolutely beautiful. It has HKS downpipes, sard catalyzer, HKS super turbo exhaust, and it also has an Apex super damper. Now that super damper, if you ever want to go through a neighborhood or anywhere where you're not supposed to be super loud, pull that little lever. So when you're sitting in this car, you want to be comfortable. That's why it's hooked up with a Recaro seat. It has beautiful bride seat rails that move amazing. You can pull the levers and it just wants to slide. It's not binding or anything. The dash itself, we actually pulled it and flocked it, and it came out beautiful. I love the way the flock dash looks. It's definitely a nice look for the car. It sets it off a little bit different from the rest of them, and that's what we're trying to go for here. So when you're driving the car, you want it to feel good, right? So the Momo race steering wheel is what you want in your hands. That thing feels amazing. It has the DEFI gauges, oil pressure, oil temp, all your essentials. It also has HKS EVC boost controller for when you want to have a little bit of fun. Don't go crazy though. So if you guys didn't know, I did drive this car for the video and I fell in love. This car is absolutely amazing. The Bridgestone Potenzas, it just hooks and grabs in every single corner. It wants to handle amazing. The taillights are Z LEDs. They're super bright compared to the stock ones. The stock ones are a little bit dimmer, so everybody will know when she puts her brakes on. Monica also requested our custom Driver Motorsports grille. It sets it off a little bit different and gives it that aggressive look that we look for. Well guys, that was a little in-depth on Monica's R32 GTR. Smash the like button, subscribe, comment. Let us know what you want to see. Let us know the cars that you want to see. Let us know what you want to be done to these cars. If you want a car, contact your man Chris. He'll hook you up. I got some work to do. That Z32 isn't going to fix itself. Light 'em.